Hey folks, this is Nick Drake here at Kendall Used Car Superstore in Meridian, Idaho. Today I'd love to go over with you this 2018 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive. Now it does have the nice sports appearance package where the rims do match that beautiful black. Now this vehicle is Ford certified, so it did pass the Ford 172-point inspection. It does come with a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that's from in-service date, plus a 1-year, 12,000-mile comprehensive plan as well. Now this car does have just a tick over 49,000 miles. It does have leather seating, heated seats, CD player, a nice big screen, Bluetooth, and these edges are super comfortable. Once you sit in these seats, you will realize that they are the most amazing seats. My preference really is these seats are super comfortable. So plenty of room in back. And like I said, this is all-wheel drive and it is the EcoBoost. Now these do have electronic seats as well, so those will fold down automatically and you have tons more room. If you do have any more questions, feel free to come on down to Kendall Used Car Superstore in Meridian, Idaho, and we'll be more happy to help you. Thanks.
Kendall, let's start something great.